This is our 2007 Skipper 30, a modern-looking performance cruiser that you can enjoy racing in local regattas, adventures while coastal cruising, or island hopping in the Bahamas. It is nice and airy with several opening ports and hatches. The V-berth has folding panel doors for privacy, and the roomy aft cabin extends under the cockpit for extra space. Other features include a Yanmar diesel engine and Garmin and Raymarine electronics. Take a look at the listing for all of the details and enjoy the walkthrough. We hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of our 2007 Skipper 30. As always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. For more listings, visit our website.